the son of the story of Jonah in the first reading being sent to the people of Nineveh, and the gospel for today, they have one common theme, and that is the necessity to listen to signs before it is too late. Well, we go back to the story, very beautiful story of Jonah in the first reading of today. Alam naman po natin yung kwento ng mga taga Nineveh. They were, hindi maganda ang kanilang kalagayan at that time because they were living a life that is contrary to what it's supposed to be. Kumbaga, masama ang klase ng pamumuhay ng mga taga Nineveh. But at the warning of Jonah being the sign, nakinig sila at nagbago. That is the reason why in the gospel for today, Jesus would repeat this, no? Na yung sabi niya dito, this is an evil age. It seeks a sign, but no sign will be given it. At alam niyo, we can apply this to very simple things in life. The necessity to listen to warnings, signs, before it's too late. Alam niyo kung minsan, ang mga tao, well, sorry to say, no, but many Filipinos, parang wala o kulang yung ganitong attitude sa buhay. We do not have that capacity to listen to warnings before they are too late. Well, many times we have heard this, no? For example, hindi na pala maganda yung nangyayari sa'yo at maraming ibinibigay sa'yo na sign ng Diyos na, oh, you are going the wrong way. Ang nagbibigay siya ng sign, and yet, hindi ka nakikinig. And all of a sudden, something wrong happens to you. Sasabihin mo, nakinig na lang sana ako noon. Sana pinansin ko yung sign na yun. Like for example, even simpler, very, very simple. Like for example, when it comes to matters of health, no? Very simple, no? For example, 4 na linggo ka nang inuubo. Sorry naman, parang guilty naman ako doon, no? Parang hindi mawala-wala yung ubo mo. Especially if you are advanced in age already, no? Hindi gumagaling yung ubo mo parang 2 linggo, 3 linggo. Sasabihin ng doktor, magpa-x-ray ka na. Sasabihin mo, hindi, uso ngayon ang ubo kasi medyo lumalamig, umiinit, hindi nakaka-adjust yung katawan ko. Pag hindi ka nakinig, after that, pneumonia na pala. And it will be too late. Lalong-lalo na yung mga may edad na, delikado po ang pneumonia sa mga matatanda na. Pero kung nakinig ka sana noon, at nagpa-x-ray ka, di naka-antibiotic ka pa sana. Pero gaya ng sabi ko, yung Pinoy, parang yung nang nawawala sa atin. Like for example, no? Madalas, sumasakit yung ulo mo. Masakit yung batok mo. Babae, hindi mo siya pinapansin. Okay lang yan kasi syempre mainit, pag tanghali, baka migraine lang to or something like that. Pag nagpa-check up ka, high blood ka na pala. Yung cholesterol mo, 600 na pala ang resulta. E di, kumbaga, too late na. It pays to listen to warnings before tragedy happens. At yun ang magandang nangyari sa mga taga Nineveh. Nung nakinig sila sa warning, sa warning ni Jonah, o hindi, God did not carry it out. The punishment, the tragedy that should have happened in Nineveh, hindi natuloy yun. Bakit? Nakinig sila sa warning ni Jonah. Kaya sabi ni Jonah dito, 40 days from now, Nineveh will be destroyed kung hindi kayo magbabago ng buhay. Eh di ba nung una, hindi sila nakikinig? Pero after some time, they listened to Jonah and it saved them. Kaya, alam nyo, maraming mga hindi magandang pangyayari ang maiiwasan sa buhay kung nakikinig lang tayo sa mga warning. Kung matuto tayong makinig sa mga warning na binibigay, hindi lang ng Diyos, kundi yung sa paligid natin. If we know how to listen to them, I am sure maraming hindi magandang pangyayari ang maiiwasan. So, as we continue in the season of Lent, sana ganun din, no? We become so sensitive to signs. Parang hindi lang listening actually. We become so sensitive to the signs that God is giving us. We become sensitive to the signs na nangyayari sa paligid natin, sa katawan natin, sa buhay natin, kahit sa pamilya natin. Alam nyo, if you are sensitive enough to signs, gaya ng sabi ko, maraming maiiwasang hindi magaganda. So we pray that we will have that sensitivity. Kung minsan kasi, o madalas, tayo, mga tao, nagiging manhid tayo, walang pakiramdam. Hindi lang manhid as in feeling, no? Pero marami sa atin manhid sa mga warning sa buhay. Bakit hindi natin sila pinapansin? Binabaliwala lang natin until such time, trahedya na pala. Hindi na pala maganda ang resulta nito. If we are only sensitive to these signs, we can avoid so many wrong circumstances in life. So we pray for this gift in the season of Lent. Lord, let us be sensitive to signs in life so that we may avoid tragedies of life. We all stand.